My name is Bengochea. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at Paris Brain Institute, and today I will talk about my recent published paper studying numerical discrimination abilities in fruit flies. I'm mainly interested in studying numerical cognition, and in particular in the fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster. We know that several animal species use numerical information in the field to, for example, quantify the amount of food, the number of predators, or to estimate distances. However, we don't know how animals process this information at the level of the brain. So in the lab, we asked ourselves whether we could establish Drosophila as a new model system to study numerical abilities. Why it's important for the flies to have this ability? We know that fruit flies adjust their defensive behavior depending on the number of flies in the group. So having this into account, we decided to test the numerical abilities of flies, just placing different numbers of objects in an arena, and we placed the fly in the middle of the arena and we let the fly explore. And what we found is that flies are capable of discriminate between different quantities. In this case, could be 4 versus 2, or 3 versus 2, or 8 versus 12, for example. And we found that they are able to discriminate, but also they are showing a spontaneous preference for the larger numerosity. The main goal of establishing Drosophila as a new model system to study numerical cognition was because we have now the toolkits that allow us to study brain mechanisms underlying this capacity. So in the last part of the paper, what we show is that there is a particular cluster of visual neurons in the optic lobe of the flies that are involved in this capacity. And this will allow us to study brain mechanisms underlying this highly conserved capacity in the future.